Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make aloe vera for my hair. So I've been using it for about 3 weeks and I love it. My sister turned me onto it and it's upped my moisture game tremendously. So I'm starting with a old aloe vera that I have in the fridge. I make mine fresh every weekend. So I cut off the first part of it because it's really old, and now I'm just gonna slice into like three huge cuts. You can slice as many or as little as you want. I'm taking away the edges now because eventually I'm gonna peel it off like a banana, and the edges are sharp, and yeah, you can't peel it off with those edges on. Now some people use it directly by slicing it in the middle and rubbing on their hair, but I like to make the gel. So here I'm peeling it off like a banana, like I said. The first part is usually easy to get off, and then the second layer sometimes can be a little tricky. But if you just keep working at it, and with time you'll figure out how to take it off. Of course, you can use the knife like I did as well, but please be careful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and peel all of them off. Careful to make sure that I get as much of the aloe vera as I can, because believe it or not, it's going to be a very small quantity when I'm done. If you watch till the end of the video, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. I normally use this for myself and my girls. They are natural. I'm Texlaxed, and our hair game has really changed a lot. I use it as a pre-poo. I use it with my deep conditioner. I use it as a leave-in. It's just, oh my goodness, there are no words. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel this all off, and we'll move on to the next step. And that's all the quantity I have from the three. As you can see, it's all clean. There's no green on top of it. Now, some people do this with the green, but I've not tried that. If I do, I'll definitely let you guys know. So here I'm using my processor, but you can use any kind of blender you have, and that should work just as well. When I used a regular blender, it was too watery for me. It wasn't it wasn't slimy, and I kind of like the slime a little bit, because I feel that it helps me better with the detangling, especially when I use it as a pre-poo or as a leave-in conditioner after I wash. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and strain all of the juice out. Now this takes some time. I was cooking that day, so I was ready to let it sit and strain for God knows however many hours it wanted to do that. But you can use a spoon or a spatula, anything you can, just to speed up the process. For me, I was willing to wait. So this is several minutes later. I'm just showing you what's left off after I strain everything. Sometimes I add a little water to that and I filter it again and I use it as a spritz, but I wasn't going to do that today. So here I'm just going to put it in a bottle. I got this bottle from Sally's, I remember, if I recall. I'm just going to put it in a bottle and then I'm going to use a little at a time. On my girls, first of all, I'm using it as a pre-poo to detangle their hair and all that kind of stuff. I use it on my skin, and I'm just showing you how it looks when I'm done. So that's it. Thank you for watching.